Okay, you probably can't see, but way up into the distance there is this cat that occasionally comes up. He was like just chilling on the porch. Yeah, I've been getting him. I speak his own language. Like, watch. Meow, 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 meow. Come on, he actually responded last time. Meow, meow. Come on, cat. Now, if he wasn't like responding, he wouldn't have stuck around. Gotta move slowly. Meow, meow. Yeah, I'm moving real slow, so he barely notices me. Meow. See that cat? People probably wondering what the hell am I doing. And now it's going. He's getting comfortable, stretching and everything. There's that little star in his back. Alright, you gonna chill in the yard? Alright. Well, I'm gonna go in. I'm done.